Come on, Kiwi. We're going to check your food. Come on. Come here. Oh, here is my friend. Are you my friend? Kiwi. Hello, Kiwi. So, what we got today for you? Oh, maize. We got some. What do you think about that one? You like it or no? You like it or no? Kiwi? No. You like your pellets? Yeah? Okay. Then we got some mix for you. Oh, look at that. Yo, chili. Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. You like it? It's bloody hot. Ooh. How you can eat it? It's so hot. Oh my gosh. Oh. Is it hot? No. And we got some sprouting seeds. You like them? Oh, you like them? Okay. And we have some popcorn. Popcorn. You like popcorn? Oh yeah, you love it. You love it. Kiwi. Kiwi. You like popcorn? That's your treat. Alright. Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Kiwi. Kiwi. Oh, you good boy, huh? You're a really good boy. If you have your treat, you're always good. If you don't, you know, you're not. Kiwi. Alright. Kiwi. No, you don't care now. You got your treat, that's it. Kiwi. Oh, you drop it. You drop it. Come on. Kiwi. What do you want? No, that's not right. You don't wanna break it. You going come here? Come here? Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Give me a treat. No, my